Ah, what a beautiful day it is today. Because it's been like 2 years. Now I finally got the Star Wars trilogy set, which is written in Japanese. I'm finally going to go in and watch it right now. Hey, you! Is it you again? Ghost in the pillow! Yeah, just don't watch it because it has the scary THX Cavalcade logo. Because if it's scary, trust me. Yada, yada, mother fudging yada! I heard it like a million freaking times so far. It's not that scary. Just put it in and see for yourself. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me check in the back. There's nothing in the back. What about in the front? Wait. What? Ah, just put it already, for the love of God! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, chill out. You don't have to be so loud. Besides, I watched this logo before, and it's not even scary. Trust me. Seems like I have to do everything around here. Well, there's a ghost in a pillow. What else is next? I don't know. Shut up! And which DVD is it on? I know, I'm smart at this one. It's The Phantom Menace. It actually has it? Yeah, go ahead and try to test it for yourself. See if it has the scary THX Cavalcade logo. Okay, I will! But I'm not gonna judge. Oh yeah, besides, I now turn into a bobblehead figure because, yeah. And you can see my face is actually colory tanned for some reason. But anyways, let's go ahead and get it started. You're actually right. Yeah, what did I tell you? How did you know these things? I don't know. Well, I hate the FBI warning screens. Ugh! Ugh. Take, man. I only want the movie, not this. Here's the menu. That song has always been one of the faves from movie themes. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, basic movie themes, musical instruments. It's instrumental music, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and get this movie started. All right, 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. I'm not scared of that. I'm not scared of that logo. Okay. Wait, what is that thundering sound? Oh no. Wait. Oh no. I think you're right. Whoa! Jesus! Oh no. Wait. Oh no, I know that sound effect! Ah! I told you! Usually master for all global video and video performances, and the audience is not listening.